Get ready for the dictation. 5 seconds. Start. The learned additional sessions judge, fast track court number 1, Faridabad convicted and sentenced both the appellants under sections 302/34 of Indian Penal Code and found guilty the appellant number 2 under section 25 of the Arms Act. In appeal, the High Court maintained the conviction and sentence of both the appellants under sections 302/34 of the Indian Penal Code. The High Court further affirmed the conviction and sentence of appellant number 2 under section 25 of the Arms Act. Being aggrieved, the appellants preferred the instant appeal. The question arose for determination was whether the impugned judgment passed by the High Court was sustainable. It is not clear from the record as to how these chance witnesses (PW4 Pappu and PW5 Surinder Singh who have stated that they heard altercation between the deceased and the two accused after midnight and thereafter heard sound of fire, knew them. In our opinion, the testimony of these witnesses cannot be said to be reliable or trustworthy, particularly when their statements are not corroborated from other evidence on record. Though the motive of crime is not necessarily required to be proved, but in the case like the present one where the appellants are named on suspicion by informant PW6 Amit Kumar in the first information report which does not contain names of PW4 Pappu and PW5 Surinder Singh as witnesses who had seen the occurrence, the motive appears to be relevant fact. PW6 Amit Kumar has simply mentioned that the deceased had asked the two accused to waive off the remaining amount of rupees 250 from the loan of rupees 10,000 taken by Gola, but the same does not appear to be a convincing motive to commit the crime by the appellants. We are of the opinion that the prosecution has failed to prove the charge of offence punishable under section 302/34, Indian Penal Code against the two accused. We further hold that the charge of offence punishable under section 25 of the Arms Act, 1959 against accused Ajit Dara Singh is also not proved beyond reasonable doubt. Appeal is allowed. This appeal is directed against judgment and order dated 2/4/14, passed by the High Court of Punjab and Haryana in criminal appeal number D-391-DB of 2002, whereby said court has dismissed the appeal affirming the conviction and sentence under section 302/34, Indian Penal Code, against accused appellants Pawan Rajendra Singh and Ajit Dara Singh, recorded by the additional sessions judge, fast track court number 1, Faridabad. The High Court has further affirmed the conviction and sentence recorded against accused appellant Ajit Dara Singh under Section 25 of the Arms Act, 1959. Stop. Thank you. এই প্যাসেজে সমস্ত জয়নিং আর স্ট্রোকগুলো এখানে দেওয়া আছে।